Hi, a bit unusual because I don't know if this is actually for the channel. I got a strange delivery. I wasn't expecting anything. I don't know what this is. So, I'm gonna... how do I... Exciting close-up of the back of my hand, sorry. How do I get into this thing? Ah, okay. Now we are cooking the lighter. Right, so what is this? Because it sounds like Lego. Nothing else in there? No? Don't know what this is. Okay. Not even any instruction. Oh, hang on. It's the high five Lego brick thing. I thought it was just going to be like a little carved wooden block. I didn't. Alright, well, you've got a project because I'm not doing this. Do you want to build some Lego for me? You can say hello.
Yeah.
There you go. Alright, I'll farm this out to a 12-year-old. I'm not doing that. Cheers, thank you. Thank you, YouTube, I guess. Hi. Okay, you'll notice a change of setup. It has been completed. Look! Little YouTube creators Lego block play button thingy. So, there you go. How long does that take you?
Like 25 or like 30 minutes.
Okay, so bit fiddly, but not impossible.
Hmm.
Okay, so there you go. Thank you, YouTube, I guess. Look, I made it. I've got 1,000 subscribers. I'm kidding, this is Lego. It's fine. Okay, cheers. Thank you.